Morning everyone, hope you're having a good day or evening or had a good day. So, just go for another little walk down the side of a caravan park, well, an old caravan park. So, what they had here is a fire break. We've got a doggy over there in somebody's backyard, very interested. And, there's a big wolf. And what they did is they had to put this fire break in when they were putting in the houses because of the caravan park. Now, the story with this is that they tried to redevelop the property. Doggy behind that fence. Come on, you two. Come on. Come on. And now we're waking up the neighbourhood. And the proposal was turned down. They said, nope, you can't change material use of land from a caravan park into houses. So to get around that, there was a new scheme, new government came in and they said, the housing's costing too much. So we need cheaper housing. So what they did, drain, is they put in an application to say, okay, we'll turn it into an over 50s retirement village with cheap houses. So that's the sort of houses that they built there. No backyard to speak of. And now it's converting from a caravan park or a tourist park into an over 50s. I'm in two minds whether I like it or not. One of the things is the tourist park in the suburb. It does reduce the house prices, but I think so does this because the houses are so cheap. So causes an issue. But the houses are more expensive than what a caravan park side would be. And as you can see, there's still some caravans parked up there. I don't know. I do like the idea of the cheap housing. And when they're doing it in close proximity for over 50s, they're generally just retired people on the pension. So they're quiet. You don't have all the unemployed people and all that sort of stuff in close proximity, which of course increases the crime rate and all that. So, Betty, little dove, she wants to go exploring. Oh, there's snakes in there, sweetie. Yeah, you don't want to go in there, sweetie. She says, but I smell possum. I'm sure there's a possum or a rat in there or something. Yeah, there's also snakes. Yeah, the snakes are coming out to play at the moment. Haven't seen any for a while, but I've seen the snake skins and evidence. There's a lot there for them to eat, lots of rats, lots of frogs. Poor frogs. Well, that concludes our little walk so far. Yes, it's another dull day. It's not supposed to rain, but there are chances. There's 0 millimetres and 20% chance of rain. And it's time to eat some grass. It's good grass. Not better than what we get at home, obviously. Well, have a good day, everyone. And I'll catch up with you soon. Bye bye.